Hey, how's it going? Tonight we're going to do a ring pour. Um, with it being Valentine's Day and all, I'm going to try to do a little heart shape in the middle. That way when you stretch it out, you kind of can see it. Um, I'm going to fast forward through this part. I'm just going to add some more paint to the sides that I had a little bit left over to help the paint kind of glide a little bit better. Um, Again, now it's just pretty much stretching it and trying not to mess up the center heart shape type. Again, I probably have enough paint, but towards the corners I'm going to put my hands up there just so it doesn't run off. And I have enough paint to just make sure I have it covered. I hope everybody's had a good Valentine's. For me, just went to work, came home, and the wife and I took care of kiddos. Nothing major was planned. But again, just going to stretch this out a little bit. And I'll come back in a second. I'll get you back in frame in just a second. Got a spot I need to stretch out. Probably need to get my corners. I'll just use the paint that I already have on my hands. It's always a running joke in my family. I don't like to get much stuff on my hands. But then again, nothing's worse than having paint all over your hands and a kid runs in and like, hey, I need to go to the restroom. You got to hold on. So I would rather wear the gloves just in that case. Alright. So I want to touch up my side. It's on the bottom. Get the extra paint off. Even with the stretch, pretty much got what I wanted. Again, I just wanted to try a little something different with the ring pour. So I'll bring it down for a closer look. That way you can at least see the rings. Well, here it is. If you liked what you watched, give it a thumbs up. Always. If you want to see some more videos that I'll be doing, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. You all have a good night. Thanks.